Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Saish Sandeep Bendale from Ajinkya DY Patil University, currently securing BTech IT Data Science degree. So I am here about to tell about the internship. Currently, I am securing internship in Superbright EduTech Private Limited. So I would like to tell the basic information about Superbright. So let's start with it. Superbright EduTech Private Limited is a private incorporated was placed on 15 September 2020. It is classified as non-government and is registered as companies in Delhi. Its authorized share capital is about rupees 1 lakh and its paid up capital is about 1 lakh. It involves in business activities. So business Superbright EduTech Limited annual greeting meeting was last held in and as per records from Ministry Corporate Affairs. Its balance sheet was last filled on NA. So let's introduce the course. The courses are in the supervised are the course is phenomenal and as it's not only include a basic pattern or intermediate but expands it to cover complex topic to supervised curriculum is a new way to bring kid of personal expression and initiate confidence build up in your kid. We help kids boost their confession by creating complex animation and apps in class. So basically, in supervised coding, kids use the foundation of debugging by logic and creating commercial apps and games. Supervised curriculum is created best by the best bona fide professional from estimated institution. So let's start. First of all, I would like to show an video about Superbright. What actually Superbright does. Just a minute.
Unleash your kids' creativity with Superbright. Do you want your child to create the next big thing? Introduce your kids to the fascinating world of coding with Superbright, a platform designed exclusively for the world's greatest resource, your children. Embrace your kids' knowledge from the top percentile bona fide faculties and the convenience of your home. Superbright prepares your kids to thrive in the world of coding with fun and creates opportunities for unlimited learning. In this world of ever expanding technology and innovation, learning coding is as fundamental as learning any other language. Achieve remarkable feat for kids aged 6 to 14 to top 1% of early childhood coding experts. Let me show you how the career of your kids marches high with Superbright's personalized course. Android and iOS application, website development, game programming, animation. What makes Superbright a unique and attractive model? Superbright builds a custom path based on age group or child's performance. Grab this unique way of learning and give your kid the competitive edge with Superbright. Enroll your kid to one-to-one coding classes now.
This video tells us the student joining with Superbright how bright his future is. So coming to the next slide. Actually, who are we? What Superbright is? So let's start. Superbright is comprised of a team of dreamers and coders who came together to fill a void in the edutech sector and make learning to code easier for all. The team consists of IT professionals such as previously working with various IT companies in India on previous projects which include artificial intelligence, space technology, etc. It took almost 18 months to design the edutech program. Means almost experts took 18 months to design a program for students, which is underlying and powered by our homegrown artificial intelligence based solution to provide an interrupted learning experiences to young minds. This course was specially designed for our experts, keeping in the mind the need of tomorrow and learning space for free kids. This, the, as we all know, the today's condition, how students have burden about the studies. So this course was designed by the experts, thinking that how the burden of the students can become less. So let's start with the next slide. Why choose us? Why Superbright? Superbright is an edutech platform that enriches students with the skills of coding through one-to-one online classes with highly professional bona fide instructors. Superbright aims to empower children so they view themselves as creators. Superbright advanced courses help skilled learn computer programming and encourage them to create gaming application, animation, and many more. So let's go to the next slide. So next slide is what makes us unique. The things which makes us unique are listed follow. So let's start with one, text-based learning, high engagement rate, classes conducted even on 4G, stress-free approach. No students will be given stress about programming or anything. Better retention of concepts. Teachers available on chat. Means teacher are available 24 into 7 when the students require help through online classes. Multilingual classes, scholarship for metro kids. Scholarship, that is exams will be taken after every uh, exams will be taken month end, and the students scoring the highest marks or the students having more knowledge will get a scholarship from Superbright. So the next point is better customer support. So coming to the next slide is that why choose us over them. So the main differences are Superbright offers one-to-one online coding classes when other competitors who are doing coding classes takes in group. Superbright offers weekly maths and science problem solving sessions for no cost. That means along with the programming languages, Superbright also offers maths and science problem solving programs for the students having difficulties in this subject. So next point is Superbright conducts monthly online exam to access the students' capabilities and sessions with parents to appraise them about the kids' progress. Industry organized certification to be provided to the students on completion of the program. Means after the program is completed, the industry experts lectures will be conducted from the side of Superbright. So let's come to the next slide. Our beta test program. Our session were logged by 50 students. This involves students from India and 5 other countries, namely United Kingdom, USA, UAE, Singapore, and Australia. A total of 200 hours of classes were undertaken by our teacher. No disconnection or technical issues were observed in these sessions. A higher interaction and engagement rate was observed among the participation students. So coming to the next slide, the slide is that our philanthropic offerings. A Noble at Earth. Superbright offers students refurbished laptops to learn coding through their respective schools at subsidized rates. Laptops are offered for free to meritorious students who can't afford one but are willing to learn alongside scholarship to the program. So coming to the next slide, convenience for parents. This application for convenience. Superbright offers Android and iOS based apps which offer following functionalities. Book and cancel classes via the app. See students matrix, that is see the students progress card and mark sheets through online. Chat with our teacher and tech experts, that is industrial experts. Interact with customer support, means parents having any issues regarding the students or students fees or any else, you can interact with our customer support, that is our customer support service is 25 by 7. So coming to the next slide, that is future with Superbright, the future of students with Superbright. Before that's let's start. Better understanding the concept. Our program guides your kid to a unique career path, an option to learn and earn online. Kids become self-dependent and make their dreams come true. Superbright makes learning easier online while realizing the importance of coding, a part of education in our society. That's Superbright encourages students and tells that how coding is important in today's world. So after going to higher classes, students will be familiar with it coding, so they will get much better understanding of the coding. So the next point is super bright kids have the highest academic and personal growth on national level. So let coming to the next slide. there is, I would like to tell one famous saying that is, proper education is the most powerful weapon to change the world, and as a parent you can provide your kid with this opportunity using Superbright. So thank you. Any questions?